You giving me permission to get geeky? This is a workflow in N8N, and it doesn't look very complicated, and it's not very complicated. So what I have is this is my idea generation workflow. I've set up a system where like you can add nodes here. So if I come here and I say plus, I can say, hey, I want to add a certain node, and that gives it a certain functionality. This first node is I just set a schedule. And this schedule says, if I click in here, every 1 week, Monday at 1 a.m. All right. You don't have to know all the setup here. It's just here. I just said every week, Monday, 1 a.m., I want this stuff to happen. Then what it's going to do is it's going to read a spreadsheet. This spreadsheet that I have in Google Sheets, in Google Drive, it is a spreadsheet that has all of the episodes that I've created. So it's going to, every Monday, look at everything that I've created, combine all of the topics, and sends it to ChatGPT. So this is a ChatGPT node here. If I click in here, you're going to see I've selected my OpenAI account, and I'm telling it, hey, you're a creative biology educator helping generate short form videos. And it has like the first part of my prompt. And then here, it's going to say, here are all of the things that I've already used. It's going to pull it from the other stuff. And I'm asking it to come up with new ones. If I zoom this in here, you can see the rest of the information that I have here. So this is basically going to come up with those ideas. Now, I should have tried this before we did this, because I haven't actually done this in months, and sometimes things will break, but we're going to try it really quick to see if it's going to work here. I'm executing the workflow. You can see it found 314 items. It's sending it to ChatGPT. Oh, it worked. Okay, sweet.
Huh.
I'm going to open this up right now. I'm glad it worked. So here are some of the topics. Some species of jellyfish can reverse their aging process and potentially live forever. And it's telling me that that is a true statement.
So these are
go ahead.
See, they're ideas for the videos now, or are they giving you like the hook already as well for the video?
This is telling me the idea for the video. So my video ideas are statements, either something that's true or something that's not true.
Got it.
So it's coming up with that right now. Mitochondria have their own DNA and separate from the DNA in your cell's nucleus. Or human skin stops regenerating after the age of 40, and that's trash. So it's just come up with all of these ideas for me right here on the spot. And I didn't have to do anything. This is the first page. There's another page because I asked it for 20. And these are now 20 ideas that I can either say I like it or I don't like it.
That's just magic, isn't it?
That's it. And I don't have to do anything. So when I wake up when this is activated, because you can see I have it inactive right now, but when this is activated and I wake up on Monday morning, I will have these 20 ideas and I could say I like it or I don't like it.